Today we're at this really special property and I'm super excited just to show you the quality, the design, the build and how we've created a bespoke home and how you guys can do the same thing too. Let me give you a rundown on the layout. We are in the second floor, which has got an open plan kitchen and lounge. Next door to me, there's a shower room with an extra height ceiling. Behind that, we've got a third bedroom, stroke study, stroke children's room. And then upstairs, we've got two bedrooms, both with fitted wardrobes and a master bathroom with a full bath and power shower. For those of you that have been following the channel, you may have noticed that this is our £3.5 million Regents Park project. And we're currently in a two-bedroom masonette, which is on the market for 1.25 million. So the question is, how do you justify 1.25 million for a two-bedroom flat? Quality and design plays a big part. However, the number one rule is location. We've got location, so what's key now is the actual build. So behind me, we've got a kitchen. Now this is what I call a bespoke kitchen. It hasn't been purchased from Howdens or IKEA or any other kitchen outlet that you can go for. This has actually been made in our joinery by hand by our specialist carpenters that I would call craftsmen. All of the insides have got an oak solid finish, so you can hear the quality. And as part of the openings, what we've got is this really nice finger detail, which you can see here, which has all been handcrafted in our joinery. And then when we push, we've got a soft closing mechanism as well. How cool is that? As part of the requirements and what we deliver for our buyers is also integrated appliances. And to the right of me, we've got a dishwasher. Behind me, we've got a washer dryer and fridge. And then we've got this really nice Neff appliances, which is your microwave, oven and grill as well. As part of the bespoke finish, this door, all of this detail has been commissioned by the heritage and the planning, and it's our joinery that actually have to make it, and all of these details are handcrafted. Another important part of this door and the detail is when we open, we've got a white door on the inside and a green door on the outside. And can you see how the color changes from one to the other? In this room, what we've also selected is a really nice color palette, and we've got a really nice light detail. And then behind me, we've got some coving and new skirting too. As we exit the lounge, we're in a hallway landing, and behind you, we've got a bathroom and a study, and then upstairs, we've got two bedrooms. What's really nice about this space here is the color and also the materials. So we've got wood, we've got glass, we've got carpet, behind you we've got tiles, and everything just comes together so nicely, and it's a super feeling inside. This is what sets you apart as developers from everybody else: quality. If you just look at the detail here, the way that wood meets the tile, and then we've got this really nice separation in between, which is in a chrome finish. There is no step, there is no gap, everything is absolutely flush, and that comes from high quality design and build, and this is what we do on all of our projects as bespoke developers. Every detail in here has been meticulously thought out, from the details on the door to the plan of where we're putting the basin, the toilet, the shower, where we're going to have a bath in here. We decided to have a bath upstairs, the selection of tiles, the tiles behind me, the recess, the quality of the finish here, and everything once again comes together so nicely. And then the vaulted ceilings just add an extra level to this space. Imagine coming to view a two-bedroom flat, and then you have this space as a bonus, which is your third bedroom or a separate study or whatever you want to use this space for. We haven't compromised on the quality. Once again, the color palette is amazing. This light feature is got a really nice oyster shell feel to it, so it's a very tactile piece that we've considered. And then once again, the door has got the white on the inside, the green on the outside, and look how we've followed that through on the exit too. So as you can see, green, white, green, and up we go. My favorite space within the house has got to be this landing, and what we've got here is a multitude of things going on. but it just so seamlessly and smoothly flows that everything just looks like a super high-end bespoke hotel. On this level, we've got 2 bedrooms, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and behind me we've got a bathroom with a full bath. I'm going to be sharing some pictures and then I'll see you on the way out. So that gives you an update on where we are with our 2-bedroom, £1.25 million apartment. And this unit that I'm in now is going to be launched for 1.5, and it's going to be a 3-bedroom with a garden and an external office. And as you can see behind me, there's a lot going on, but it all just flows together. And I'm going to be sharing how I do that as part of my series of videos with you guys. Stay tuned and I'll see you soon. Take care. Out.